Hi everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. Today I'll show you exactly how to switch desktop Windows 11 so you can manage multiple desktops easily. And now let's get started. Step 1. Click the task view icon on the taskbar. This icon looks like a rectangle with two smaller rectangles behind it, and it helps you see all your open desktops at a glance, making navigation simple. Step 2. Select the desktop you want to switch to. Once you click it, Windows will instantly take you to that desktop, which is perfect for keeping work and personal tasks separate. Step 3. To add a new desktop, click New Desktop at the top of the task view screen. This creates a fresh workspace where you can open new apps or organize your projects without cluttering other desktops. Step 4. Switch between desktops anytime using the task view icon. This allows you to move smoothly between multiple desktops, improving your workflow and productivity without closing any programs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tips.